So what is the difference between having income and building wealth?
See, having income is only when you're working, you'll have income. When you have wealth, wealth will get you income. You don't have to work for it. Technically, today at 44, I can retire. I have enough money which will last me forever. I can't even spend. So I can retire. I don't have to have an active income.
But is this because of how much money you've made?
Yes. Because
No, as in your business.
in my business, and now because that's invested, that passive income which I'll get is going to be massive. There's a thing called SWP. We just spoke about SIP. Not many people know about SWP. So abhi aap kya karo? What you're doing right now for the last 5 years is SIP. You're building wealth. But 10 years later, suppose you build a very good corpus and you say, Gajendra, now, I don't want to work that hard. I want to go slow. I want to just work on few assignments and my active income will drop by 80% because, I'm okay with that. I want to enjoy life. But आपका खर्चा तो एक set है. How you bridge the gap? But you have built assets now. So I says, don't worry, Masoom, we'll start SWP, Systemic Withdrawal Plan. Every month, आपको उसमें से income आएगी. And I'll give you one example, okay? This is a real example. Suppose 22 years back, if you would have met and you came to me and said, Gajendra, I have 1 crore rupees. This is all I have. 22 years back, 1 crore was big amount. And you said, can you give me 75,000 rupees per month? So 75,000 per month into 12 months is 9 lakh. So you are withdrawing 9% of 1 crore is 9 lakh.
Correct.
Simple?
Correct.
You said, Gajendra, if you give me 75,000, I'm happy. My household expenses, everything would be taken care of. So I said, theek hai Masoom, let's start. So 2002, we started 75,000 per month. Today, 22 years later, we are in 2024. 9 lakh is what you have withdrawn per annum. Into 22 years, almost 2 crores is what you have withdrawn. How much you invested?
1.
How much you've enjoyed so far?
2 crores.
What do you think you are left with right now? Generally, you would think कि 1 crore रहेगा जो original है because you would have enjoyed 9% as your interest पकड़ लो ये जो भी है. Today, Masoom, reality, you are sitting on a corpus of 48 crores rupees. 48 CR. Even after enjoying 2 crores for the last 22 years.
How?
Because for the last 22 years, this investment has earned 20-21% compounded return, while your withdrawal rate was 9%. तो जो आपने withdraw नहीं किया, वो compound होते गया. Now you have many options. Either you can entirely withdraw 48 crores, this is not locked in, or you can increase your SWP. You can withdraw 5 crore, 2 crore, 10 crore, whatever you want. That's the power of SWP, which people, of course, this is historical. ये guarantee नहीं है कि future में repeat होगा. But you got my gist. People have been doing money. SWP.
This is a 20-21% return.
This was 20-21% return. This is actual returns.
No, is this actual?
This has actually happened. This is not a hypothetical situation. But because as in mutual fund, we say past performance is no guarantee of future results. But 22 नहीं आया, but आपका 11-12% भी return आता है, and your withdrawal rate is 7-8%, still you are going to make a lot of money. So today, you know why I can take retirement? Because I can start SWP tomorrow. So after 5-7 years, when you build your corpus, you can say, Gajendra, can I get like 5 lakh rupees a month or 2 lakh or 3 lakh? It can start coming to you from day one. This is going to become a very big concept for India. And this is great for any person, women or anyone. So suppose right now you are doing SIP. Suddenly there is a job loss. Suddenly there is a business में आपको नुकसान हो गया, income नहीं आ रहा है. You can start SWP from next day onwards. You don't have to wait till retirement. And
very interesting. I didn't know this.
You can start and you can stop. So let's say in 12 months you didn't have work in COVID. So and if your corpus was 1 crore, I'm just giving a random example. You said, Gajendra, I need 2 lakh rupees every month, right? Okay, so for this 1 year, let's start withdrawing 2 lakhs as SWP. The moment your income came back, you can stop your SWP. It's like a tap on, tap off.
So what is compounding, right? And I think there's a lot spoken about it, but still not understood very.
See, compounding is, to me, it is, as I said, it's the 8th wonder of the world, as Albert Einstein says. Basically, money works for money. I'll give you an example. So suppose, let me play a game with you. Suppose you have given me 100 rupees. Okay? 10% interest. So what, every year, how much you've given me 100. How much I have to pay you every year then?
110.
So 10 rupees every year as interest, right? So if you are playing simple interest game, every year I'll pay you 10 rupees. My principal remains 100. ठीक है? You understand this? 10 साल बाद में मैं आपको 10 रुपए दूंगा. I'll give you 10 rupees. But if I say, Masoom, let's change the game. I will not pay you interest, but you will charge me interest on interest. So next year 110 was the there. Second year के बाद, I'm paying 10% on 110.
110.
Then how much I'm paying?
11.
So 111 rupees I'm paying interest. 110 plus 11 is 121. Third year?
You're paying 10% on 121.
Correct. How much that comes to?
12.1.
12.1. Add 12.1 to 121, 132.32, whatever. Then again 10% on 132,
Got it. 13.2.
13.2. So keep adding. तो ये 4-5 years में आप कर लोगे, उसके बाद our human mind will not be able to do calculations. Because human mind, you will need calculator.
Correct.
Because you will need calculator, you are not able to think in your mind, you're not able to fathom it, and that is why people don't understand the power of compounding. So in 5 years, we are not able to calculate. Let's say
Yes. Absolutely. It takes time to
it takes time.
math.
And जो चीज़ हमारे दिमाग समझ नहीं पाती है, हम visualize नहीं कर पाते हैं. Compounding is that our mind is not able to visualize it, and that is why many people don't get it. But look at the power of this. कि 10वें साल में जो growth आएगी, it is going to be massive. 10-15 years, right? So it's like that chess example. I don't know if you have heard this story. So there was a king in a
Castle.
this thing castle, and there's a chessboard, and somebody asked the king, can you give me 1 grain per square? So first 1 grain, 2 grain, 4 grain, 8 grains per square. There were 64 squares on the chessboard. The king said, it's very easy. But the king ran out of entire stock of the world. And I think 32nd square itself, 32nd, 34th square. Because every double that you're doing in every square, it becomes massive. 1 ka 2, 2 ka 4, 4 ka 8, 8 ka 16, 24. After 24 such counts, it becomes a huge number. So people are not able to understand. On paper, it looks very easy.
So that's why it's called the magic
it is
of compounding.
It is the biggest invention that has happened in mathematics. इसके ऊपर invention नहीं हुआ है. That's why out of 100 people, 1% people know compounding. And you know what's the surprising part? 1% of the 1% people actually practice compounding. Knowing and practicing is again very difficult.
So compounding will only come in if you are invested for the longer term, right?
Yes. So I give you this example. What is compounding? If you love driving cars, right? Speed cars. 0 to 60, you will take 10 seconds. 60 to 120, it take 3 seconds. This is compounding. Because now the vehicle is in motion. You are already in speed. It works anything in life. You do exercise every day. You will be able to do 20 push-ups, 40 push-ups, 50 push-ups. You build endurance. I can't do this then. Because I've not been doing it for years. So everything in the world is nothing but an example of compounding. Relationships, right?
Yeah.
Investments, everything is an example of compounding. Things doesn't happen overnight. It took me 20 years to build this corpus, and it will take me 5 years to double from here.